Nowadays, creating content as an entrepreneur is a must, especially if you don't have enough money to run ads and stuff when you're just beginning. But you're probably wondering, what type of content should I create? Well, I'm going to try to help you out with that. In this video, I'm going to give you 3 different content ideas to create as an affiliate marketer. Now, if you watched my previous video on how to get your first 500 views, I covered this topic briefly, but I really didn't go into what type of content you should create. And since one of the things that you have to do in order to grow your YouTube channel is stay consistent, it is a good idea to already know what type of content you're going to put out on a regular basis. I know when I first got started on YouTube, I didn't really know what I was going to talk about. It wasn't until I sat down and asked myself, who is my ideal audience and what do they want to learn? And then I asked myself another question. What is it that I wanted to be known for? It was then that I decided that I wanted to be known for the guy who can teach you how to grow your affiliate marketing business on social media. And that's consistently what I create content around. Now, just in case you haven't decided on what you want to create content around just yet, we're actually going to talk about 3 of the best content that I see doing well on YouTube. The first one is motivational content. Now, one of the best examples of a motivational channel is a channel by a man named Rob Dowse. Now, I have been following his channel for years now, but he just did a video on Think Media recently about how to create a viral video. And if you're thinking about creating a channel of motivation, then I highly suggest you go and look at that. I actually leave a link down in the description for it. Now, the reason why I chose to do motivational first is because unlike on Instagram, it seems like it's really hard to get into on YouTube, because you need to make content that not only speaks to the person who's watching it, but actually holds their attention long enough for them to make it all the way through. The next type of content to create as an affiliate marketer is product and tools. And you're probably thinking about product reviews. And while that is one of them, and I talked about it in my last video, there are actually 2 different more. But let's get into product reviews before we move on to the next 2. There are 3 different ways that you can do a product review. Now, you could buy the product, test it out, and then create your own review using your own words, which I highly suggest that you do. But if you're just beginning, you may not have the money to actually buy the product to do the review. So the other 2 may be a good place to start off with. The first one is to ask the product creator to give you a product review that you can use in your YouTube video. Now, if you're using a networking site like JVZoo or Clickbait, then some of the products already have a product review that you can use. However, please don't use the product review word from word. Kind of play around with it and put in your own words. I say that because there's going to be thousands of other affiliates who's going to be using the word for word copy. And there's going to be other affiliates who have the money to buy the product, but they don't want to. They just want to take the easy way out. Now, there are some cons to using a product review from the owner, but it certainly happens that the owner is going to create a product and then lie about how effective it is. Now, the last thing that you can do for a review is actually look at the product on Google and read about 3 to 4 different blog posts about it. Then you can put together the 3 that you like and kind of summarize them inside of your own video using your own words. So the next type of product or tool content that you can create is secret tips or features that you may not know about type of content. Say that I want to create this type of content for YouTube. I can create a video showcasing how you can actually embed YouTube videos inside of a website or even a blog post on Medium. Using YouTube in this way is probably underused because not too many people know about it, but it can really help your YouTube channel grow if you use it effectively. You can also create a video where I show people how I take my YouTube video and create a pin around it in a matter of moments. If you are able to find a less known use for a product or tool, you can create a YouTube video around it and leave the product or tool link inside of your description and inside of your comment section. This could actually help you make a few sales. Now, the last type of content that you can create on YouTube, which I actually think does the best is strategy and techniques. And one of the things that may come to mind right away when I say that is how-to videos. The thing about YouTube is the second biggest SEO platform, meaning thousands, if not millions of people come to YouTube every single day searching for answers to questions they have. And like I said in my last video, how to get your first 500 views, if you can create a video that answers these questions, then you can get tons of traffic to your videos. And a lot of people actually go into the description of the videos and look through the links. If you leave your link to your affiliate product that is the answer to their question, then you can make tons of money by doing this. Now, there are 3 simple steps to creating a high quality how-to video. One is to go out and find the solution yourself. Then next you want to test the solution out for yourself. Then come back and share your results or share how you did it and how it worked out for you. You actually want to share the step-by-step method that you use, leaving out little to nothing. And if you find something that increased the results, then you actually want to share that too, which leads us to our next topic, the breakthroughs. If you are able to find something to help the viewer increase their results, then it's a good idea to make a whole separate video about it. You may want to leave a teaser in it in your how-to video and then start creating the breakthrough video. Now, if you're having trouble finding topics to create content around, then a good place to start is Quora. Quora is a question and answer based site where a lot of people engage daily. This means you can find some pretty popular questions and you can create a video content around. So while most of your competitors will be on the platform just writing out long-winded answers, you can not only write out a long-winded answer, but you can also include a video that add on extra value to it, thus increasing the chance that people will choose you over your competitor. Now, we're going to head into the last kind of topic you can create as an affiliate marketer, and that is little known fact about the niche or product that you're promoting. Although this falls kind of with the secret tips that we talked about earlier, this one can actually be under secret strategies and techniques. And that's because you can use this for not only just products, but the niche as a whole. One good example of this is my 5 common mistakes that new affiliate marketers make. In that video, I talked about 5 common mistakes that I see new affiliate marketers make, but I didn't see many other people talk about it. That being said, when it comes to the last 2 types of content, meaning the strategy and technique and the product and tools, when you're creating content around those, you actually want to do some research. You actually want to look at the first 3 videos that rank for that kind of topic and see if they missed out on anything, and then create a video that kind of fill in the blanks. Because the thing is, people don't want to get what they've already gotten from somewhere else. So it's a really good idea to do some research before you put out your video. So, question of the day. What type of content are you thinking about creating? Let me know that down below. And remember to tune into my next video where we talk all about the YouTube algorithm.